Gelato is a dense and creamy style of ice cream from Italy. It uses more milk than cream, giving it a smoother texture and lower fat content.
Feels richer.
Served slightly warmer, its flavors shine. Sorbet is a frozen dessert made without dairy, using fruit puree, sugar, and water. It has a clean, refreshing taste and is often used in a sicey, highlighting natural fruit flavors. Sherbet sits somewhere between sorbet and ice cream. It contains a small amount of dairy, usually milk, which gives it a slightly creamier until keeps it light. It is often fruit-based and has a tangy taste that makes it feel refreshing rather than heavy. Soft serve is a type of ice cream that is served immediately after being churned. It contains more air than regular ice cream, giving it a lighter and smoother texture. It melts quickly and feels very soft on the tongue. Hard ice cream is the classic form most people think of. It is fully frozen and scooped from tubs. It contains a balanced mix of cream, milk, sugar, and flavoring and is churned to include a moderate amount of air.
Frozen yogurt is made using yogurt instead of cream, giving it a tangy flavor. It is a lighter alternative to ice cream and is often served with many toppings.
Kulfi is a traditional Indian dessert, denser and creamier than ice cream. Slowly simmer milk with cardamom, saffron, and pistachios until thick. It's not churned, giving it a rich, solid texture.
Mochi ice cream is a Japanese dessert. A chewy rice dough wraps a cold, creamy center. Served bite-sized, it offers a textural contrast. It comes in many delicious flavors.
First, pour the liquid base onto the cold surface. Spread it thin and mix in your favorite ingredients. Then, scrape it into delicious, perfect rolls, a customizable treat made right in front of you.
Italian ice is a smooth, dairy-free frozen dessert churned to avoid large ice crystals. Made from fruit flavors, sugar, and water, it's light and refreshing, especially popular in warm climates. No-churn ice cream is easy. Mix sweetened condensed milk and whipped cream. Fold gently until smooth and creamy. Pour into a pan and freeze. No machine needed for this creamy treat. Vegan ice cream replaces dairy with plant-based alternatives like almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk. It is designed for people who avoid animal products, have made it very similar in taste and texture to traditional ice cream. Frozen custard is similar to ice cream but includes egg yolks in its base. It is churned slowly to reduce air, making it dense and creamy. This gives it a richer texture and a smoother consistency. Granita is a coarse, icy dessert from Italy, made by freezing and scraping a sweetened mixture. Its grainy texture, unlike smooth ice cream, gives it a simple, refreshing feel. Ice cream sandwiches consist of a layer of ice cream placed between two cookies, wafers, or pieces of cake. They combine the softness of baked goods with the cold cream. Is popular as a handheld treat and comes in many variations.